The storage door is opened.
A long-abandoned Mustang is revealed. Severe body damage is visible.
The interior is completely deteriorated.
The engine shows no signs of life.
Body damage is recorded.
Frame deformation is confirmed.
The door is stuck.
Car condition is tested. The system is made safe. Ignition components are inspected. Internal condition is assessed.
A full teardown is planned.
Safety locks are engaged.
Front wheels are removed.
Access to suspension begins.
Brake components are removed.
The caliper is set aside.
The rotor comes free.
Front suspension is dismantled. Components are separated. The shock absorber is taken out.
The coil spring is safely extracted.
Steering components are detached.
The front hub assembly is freed.
Removed parts are sorted.
Everything is documented for rebuild.
Rear wheels are loosened.
Rear suspension is exposed.
Rear shock is removed.
The rear suspension is loosened.
The rear axle is separated.
The chassis is prepared for repair.
Frame distortion is measured.
The frame is corrected.
Specifications are verified.
Damaged metal is cut away.
The metal edges are cleaned.
The new panel is aligned.
The repair is secured. The surface is leveled. The repair is sealed. Body filler is applied.
The surface is refined.
Panel accuracy is verified.
Panel is finalized.
The damaged door is taken off.
The frame is corrected.
The door closes correctly. Engine is ready to be removed. The powertrain is removed. The engine is secured for teardown. Internal components are exposed. Engine wear is assessed. Cylinder heads are loosened. Combustion chambers are exposed.
Internal wear is visible.
The bottom end is accessed.
Years of neglect are revealed.
The rotating assembly is opened. Internal parts are extracted. Components are cleaned for inspection.
Clearances are checked.
The engine is ready for rebuild.
The electrical system is evaluated. Faulty circuits are identified. Failed wiring is cut out. New connections are made. Electrical integrity is restored.
The wiring returns to the car.
Lighting circuits respond. Electrical contacts are refreshed.
The system is secured.
Electrical checks are complete. The interior is stripped.
Old materials are discarded.
The base is prepared.
Corrosion is neutralized. The cabin is rebuilt. The interior takes shape. Seating is restored. Interior panels are secured. Controls are reassembled.
The cabin is finished.
The car is prepared for paint. The surface is keyed. The surface is clean.
Base is sealed.
Coverage is confirmed.
Color is applied.
Coverage is evened out. The paint is left to cure.
Suspension is reassembled.
The drivetrain support returns.
Power is back in place.
The engine is fixed in position. Stability is restored. Exterior details return. Electrical power is restored.
Engine oil is added.
The fuel system is prepared.
The engine comes to life.
The engine runs smoothly.
The car is ready.
No leaks are found.
Brake pressure is confirmed.
Car moves under its own power.
The Mustang is reborn.